Welcome to 579 Colgate Road in Venice, Florida. This fantastic home was built in 2016, with impact glass windows, almost a quarter-of-an-acre lot with fenced backyard, adorned by gorgeous landscaping. Enjoy an open great room floor plan, with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus den or office, and a 2-car garage. The kitchen has a vaulted ceiling, Bosch range, cabinets with top crown, and a pantry. A desirable split-bedroom floor plan boasts a master suite with wood floors, dark-out blinds, walk-in closet, dual undermount sinks, tiled shower, and decorative mirror. Other upgraded features of this home include tray ceilings, crown moldings, plantation shutters, premium water filtration system, granite tops, gutters, and a screened lanai with brick patio. No HOA fee, not in a flood zone, and super convenient location to downtown Venice for shopping, dining, art festivals and more. Only 1.6 miles to the South Venice Ferry for an easy ride to the beach. Call today for a private showing.